Hey queens and kings, welcome back and thank you guys so much for watching as well as returning, and welcome to all our new queens and kings. So as promised, here is a tour of my living room, how I decorated for Valentine Day. Now I didn't do too much or whatever, but I did a little something or whatever. I just want to bring some of the love in. But here's an overview of how I styled my side table. And all I got here is my DIY that I did, my shadow box and that little cup and glass plate or whatever that is from Target, and with some flowers in there. But here's an overview of my mantle or my fireplace or whatever. All I did was put some cards up there that I got last year from my family. This calendar here, I just placed some of those little sticker hearts on there, which they start to fall off so they don't stick very well. And place some red candles just to bring a little of the love over here. Then this XOXO sign is from Target last year. And then I decided to do me a crystal garland, which I wanted to do like get some type of garland to put up here or a banner or whatever. But I didn't want to go out and buy now, waste no money just for this video purpose or whatever. So I decided just to throw some of these crystals up here that I had hanging around the house, a little extra crystals, but I'm gonna be using those pretty soon though. And just throw some roses up in there. So I actually like this little overview of how this look and everything. I don't know, it's just something about this little area. It have its own little statement piece or whatever. And here is my coffee table. Now all I did was just did a mixture of all the designs that I did together, and I just put it on my coffee table because I still didn't go with now with the styles that I did show you guys or whatever. That little white container there is from Target Dollar Spot last year, and that's a DIY candelabra. And inside I just have some little gummy bears or jelly treats from Dollar Tree. I love those things. I love them. I really do. Then here is my console table. Now I wasn't sure how I was going to style my console table. It took me a little minute actually to try to get this look, but I know I didn't want to go with too much and I didn't want to go with too less, but I didn't want a whole lot of red over here. So I just styled it with some personal family photos of my kids when they were smaller, some crystal candelabras, not candelabras, candle holders, and that's a DIY enhancing rose that I did for my wedding. Then down below I just have a little red throw inside a little basket, and there is a Target Dollar Spot bag which I threw a pillow in there just to make it look like a pillow. Then that little red picture frame, and the XO is from Target Dollar Spot. So here is an overview of how my living room looked with the sofas or whatever. All I did was do those little red sequence pillars there, what I purchased last year from Target Dollar Spot, just to bring a little red inside the living room. Other than that, I didn't do too much, but what gave me the idea of use red instead of pink or purple or anything like that, you see that little flower on my coffee table there? Once I stuck those roses inside that teal container that I purchased from Target Dollar Spot, it gave me the look that I want. It actually motivated me to do this video. So I didn't put anything on the wall or nothing like that. I just kept them as is. And I just want to have the little pops of red just going around the room because it actually looked pretty good with the teal. What you guys think? If you're liking this video so far, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up. So this is just an overview. But I am stuck on my garland. I really do like the way that this turned out. What you guys think? So I'll just give you guys a little update. After this was the reason I went on ahead and did this video, because I would no longer have this furniture or anything. Some pieces would be missing because my parents would be moving out, so a lot about to leave. So I really want to get this video out to you guys. I love my coffee table. So if you guys liking the video, please go ahead and give me a big thumbs up and comment down below. Tell me what you think about the little update, because I'm kind of excited that they'll be leaving, but hey, I'm gonna miss my parents. And here's Andre down there playing with his little toys and everything, all cute all up. But you guys, you see that I did spray painted those vases. I told you guys I was gonna spray paint them silver because I kind of got tired of the yellow in the living room. But you guys tell me what you think. Let me see. You get your football. All right. Done. See. Hi, 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 hi. That is it, Queens and Keys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much I did of recording it for you guys. If you liked it, please go ahead and give me a big thumbs up. Comment down below what about it that you like, and tell me about the little update and everything. And please share with your family and friends. And please subscribe if you're new to the castle. With that being said, you all have a blessed day. Bye. You gonna tell YouTube bye? Say bye.
Bye.